everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Nonnina. So I know we've been in the middle of my Valentine's specials, but I want to interrupt with a very big event, the Super Bowl. Oh, I love that American football. I never miss a big game. This is going to be a classic of the young phenom Patrick Mahomes versus the very old Tom Brady. He's so old, he could almost went to school with Nonnina, but not that old. So we're going to make a buffalo chicken dip and it's going to be fantastic. So let's go over the ingredients. So we need 1.5 cups of chicken, and I went with the rotisserie chicken to keep things simple, and I shredded it. We need 2 packages of cream cheese, softened. We need 1.5 cups of extra sharp cheddar cheese. We need 1 cup of ranch dressing and 3/4 cup of Frank's Red Hot Sauce. I like the original, the OG. And then the salt and the pepper. And for dipping, I got my celery and my Gluten crackers. And we're ready to begin. So we'll put our hot sauce and our chicken right in the pan. Have fun in there, guys. That's nice. And we'll stir it around. We want it to get nice and hot. The chicken is nice and fiery. So we're going to add our cream cheese and our ranch dressing, and we'll stir that in. And you know, Nonnina, she's punched a few pigskins into the end zone in her time. I've also scored a couple of touchdowns on the 50-yard line. Oh, I love that football. I like to tackle the men. Oh, it's so good. And now I mostly watch. But every once in a while I throw the ball around. And we just stir this all in. And let it heat all up. So this is all melted in. And we'll add our salt. I like the pink Himalayan salt, lots of vitamins. And the black pepper. And then we're going to add most of our cheese. We'll leave a little bit to put on top. And we're going to let this all melt in. It's going to be so tasty. Perfect. And I'll stir that. And when it all melts, we'll put it in a baking dish. So the cheese is all melted and it's ready for our casserole dish. So we'll pour that in. And then what we'll do is we'll take the extra cheese and sprinkle it right on top. And then you want to set your oven at 375 and we'll put it in there for about 20 minutes. Perfect. And our extra cheese. This is going to be fantastic for the big game. Who are you rooting for? This will go in now to the oven. I'll be back. And it's ready to be tasted. I cut up some celery and I got my gluten-free crackers. I'll start with the celery. Oh, it looks so delicious. Oh, it's wonderful. I don't even like celery, but it tastes wonderful with the dip. Now our cracker. That's perfection. It's got a nice tangy flavor to it. It goes wonderful with the celery and the crackers, or maybe a nice nacho. I hope you enjoyed the show, and that you enjoy the Super Bowl, and I hope your team wins. If you leave any positive comments, I would love to respond, and give me that big thumbs up, and hit the subscribe button. And if you want more videos of Nonnina in your feed, ding the little bell. And remember, if Nonnina can do it, anyone can do it. Bon appetito! Ciao!